What is up, everybody? It is, what is it? December 31st, 2023, and it's about to be January 1st, 2024. I'm outside right now. We got like 10 minutes left. Okay, here we go. Oh shit! Alrighty, it's New Year's. Coming banging pans. Fucking echo, man, something badass. Okay, I'm gonna grab my jungle rocket. Damn. Oh shit! The drone. Oh shoot! Oh, the guy doing the volcano again. I'm gonna try to light some more rockets for you guys. Oh, let's see. I'm honestly thinking of doing that jungle rocket right now. You know what? Fuck it. Let's go get it. Here we go. Okay. Woo! Oh shit! Happy New Year! Firecrackers. There we go. That was a gunshot. I am scared now. There's someone doing some Chinese lanterns. That's cool. Oh, I think there was a One over there. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
Hey, we were wondering if you were outside. Where were you? Did you see the fireworks? All of us are out from one plane and
Dude, it's fun out tonight. Everyone's out, just having a good time. It's a crackle ball. Just for fun. Oh! Woo! Sorry, this big street line's in the way. Oh, there's a helicopter over there. Oh. Oh shit! Just crackle balls. I think one cracked open. Oh. Oh, look at that. Can't really see because the tree's in the way. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. But yeah, that was New Year's Eve to New Year's Day, 2023 to 2024.